Hello everyone, welcome back to the new episode of Street to Skill, from hustle to expertise, one story at a time. It's really a beautiful weather out here to record our show. Today's story is about breaking another myth that you have to choose between your career and passion. Our guest today is a full-time corporate professional who's also building her dreams of becoming a freelance model. In this episode, we'll dive into the behind the scenes of how she manages both the struggles she made and the lessons she learned for any aspiring model or anyone who wanted to pursue their passion. Alright, without any further delay, let's invite Chetna. Chetna, thank you so much for coming in.
Hi guys, hi Ahmed, how are you doing?
Doing excellent. Thank you so much for doing this, taking out time on your busy schedule. Busy as in you're doing two things. Alright, let's start with the first thing. Is this your passion always, or someone in your life influenced you, maybe a mother, colleague, sister, someone?
So, from my childhood actually, I always wanted to, I was always influenced towards, into industry and all. So, modeling came along with the, my shooting and all, like the movie shoots. So, I've done extra shoots as well, like for the Telugu industry.
Wow.
I would say yes. But yeah,
Is there any short film for the audience to go and watch out?
I wouldn't recommend you watching that.
No worries.
No, I'm not recommending anyone to watch that. So yeah, so later on I actually got so influenced that no, I actually want to do modeling as well. Modeling is something which really inspires me, which gives me creative ideas.
Yeah.
I wanna do this, that, and every time it keeps on popping in my head all the time.
That's a good thing.
And influence, I wouldn't say people influenced me, but there were many people who actually encouraged me, like my father, my mother. So I have
important. They play a crucial role.
They played actually the major role in my life, to be honest, because they were the one who kept on pushing me. Because in the family we see people are not really letting girls move forward. They'll be like, okay, these are the restrictions, you have to obey all these things. But in my family, it was just the opposite. My mom, my dad, they just wanted me to reach heights and, just wanted me to do something. So,
are you the only kid?
No.
If I may ask?
No.
Then they
I have elder siblings too, but
Cool,
they
cool.
were kind of studious and I was the only one who was doing all the masti. So yeah, this was all fun and games.
Alright, Chetna, let's here come the next exciting question, I would say, because most of us wanted to know, how did you get your first breakthrough, first modeling assignment, and if you can talk about that a little bit.
Definitely, that's exciting. So my first assignment, I actually got it through one of my friend who's a fashion designer.
Okay.
So she had seen me walking the ramp previously, and that's how she actually contacted me and asked me, would you be interested?
Yeah.
There is this Singhania brand, the official first brand I shoot it for was Singhania's. So she approached me and I agreed on. So we did some test shoots and all, and it was amazing. The photographer really liked it.
Perfect. Okay, that sounds exciting, and let's come to the another side, like your 9-to-5 job. How did you get into this corporate world?
Alright, so it was in the year of 2016, that's when I passed out my BTech.
Okay.
Later on, one of my friend was actually, was applying for the job. I'm like, okay, let's just give it a shot. And that's when I got into my first company.
Okay.
And since then, I was like, I've been enjoying this, to be honest. It keeps me engaged all the time because I'm an overthinker. I really do not like to sit alone or idle at all. So I need to do something or the other. So that's how I just continued doing this.
That's what my next question is. Like, how did you manage both? I mean, for me, managing one job, getting me tired, and in the weekends I try to go play some passion like badminton, cricket and all. And you're doing both the things simultaneously. I just wanted to know how you manage all the things.
So this credit goes to my entire team, my office, because they had really been, so helpful. Whenever I needed any kind of help from the office, they were always there. My manager, especially the entire team, they had always been there. So yeah, there have been times like the shoot went on for 7, 8, 12 hours continuously, and then shift was at compromise.
Yeah.
So I actually had to request my team to pitch in so that work doesn't really get affected. So I understand at times the situation might get harder, but that's what life is about.
That's what I mean. You must have the corporate deadline also.
That's
And
that's true.
I would say the major role is the flexibility, the work from home, remote options.
That's amazing. I really appreciate this company that it had given us this opportunity to also work from home, because with that we are also able to perform multiple tasks, not
Right.
just modeling. In case if I'm going for a gym, or maybe I am also doing athletics now.
Yeah.
So I am trying to cope up with everything, not just particularly doing one thing at a time. I'm trying manage multiple.
Perfect. I think this is the time, this is the age where we should try
Exactly.
and do everything.
Pick up the energy too.
Yeah. Most of us wanted to know what are the struggles that you face in order to manage both, like your passion as in modeling and as well as the corporate job.
There were plenty, I would say.
I totally agree. Yeah, definitely.
The major thing was my health was getting impacted. Rest as well as the meal. 3-time meal is actually required
Right.
by your body. So we had those times where we were not even able to eat properly or sleep properly. We were just asked to be at the set. To be honest, I really love this job. Job in the sense like my job as well as my modeling.
Both are job.
Yeah.
For you, it's both job.
Both the jobs, because I don't know, it just gives me more of power, more of energy to do more.
Exciting.
I really don't understand how I'm getting all this energy, but if you are really willing to do something, I think it's just the nature keeps on pushing you, I guess. That's
Yeah.
how it does, I guess. So the health actually was my priority, because obviously why we are all earning, after all it's just for
Makes sense. Yeah.
food,
Health is-
shelter and clothes. So
Exactly.
yeah.
And yeah, I would say health should be everyone's first priority.
Exactly.
And that's the beauty if you're pursuing a passion, right?
Right.
You'll never get tired. If it is
That's the
singing,
main
dancing,
thing.
whatever be that, for you modeling, right? You love to do it, even though these things like some body pain, some cramps and all.
We don't see it.
Yeah, we will like
That
that's
never comes
okay,
into
I'm
our-
excited.
Yeah.
Totally agreed with the point. The important thing, what advice do you think you can give to the people who actually wanted to pursue their passion? Could be modeling, could be singing, dancing, or any sports.
So the one advice which I would like to give everyone is please never get discouraged. Initial stages, people will come up to you, give you bad mouthing and will try to discourage you, but never get discouraged, I would say. And in my scenario, my family was my backbone. So in case if you do not have that, just keep your focus, and just remember one day all your struggle will pay off. Keep on struggling, keep your hustle on and just move on. And I am still on the way, I would say, and I know I still have to achieve a lot.
Yeah.
But if you keep just doing, you're focused and you are disciplined, I am very, very much sure that you can reach the sky. So sky is the limit is where you have to reach. So wish you all the very best.
Absolutely agree. And on the similar line, till when you wanted to continue this, both the things? I mean,
Throughout
till
my life.
you have a bank account number, till
Never.
the-
It's not about the money. It's
Just kidding,
about. See, I am not lying. It's also about the money, but
Yeah.
that's not just one single option which I'm keeping it as. But yeah, it also keeps me motivated. Like I have a reason to get out of my bed. I have to do this, that, everything in my life. There shouldn't be a time where I'm in my 60s or 70s and just crying about, oh, I couldn't do that.
Regretting
I
about
just
things.
want to do everything, and whatever comes, I don't care. I just want to do it.
Sounds so good, right? I think I would say
Right.
a perfect example of how a people should be multitasking, how a time management is crucial in this.
And people
This could be a
support is
part one.
also
People support everywhere, the family, your company, your
everywhere.
whatever.
People supporting you
Flexibility.
is much needed. But in case if you do not have, keep yourself your motivator.
That is the first thing.
motivator, yes.
People, everyone around you comes second, but
That's
first you should keep motivated by
Definitely.
yourself that okay, this is something I want to do. Then the other people will come into picture.
There are times where you'll be at your low, but that's okay. That's life, and we'll just we'll have to just keep pushing ourselves.
True. I think that's it. Could be our first part 1. Maybe
Yes.
we'll do another part 2 if people liked it. Thank you so much again
Thank
for
you for
coming and
calling
doing this
me.
session. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
That's her side of the story, which proves your passion doesn't need to take a back seat just because you're working in a corporate. But with discipline, courage and consistency, I think you can create your own path. So for anyone watching who wanted to pursue the passion as in, modeling, singing, dancing or any sports, I mean, we love to play sports and wanted to grow in that area, remember, your passion and profession both can grow together. Thank you so much everyone for watching Straight So Scale from Hustle to Expertise. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And do mention about your struggle that you're facing to pursue your passion in the comment sections below. Take care.